To me, seeing the reliable name on a product means exactly what it says, reliable. We have to earn our stripes every day and stand behind that name.
The philosophy of Reliable is to make it right the first time.
Part of Reliable's value is the quality, is not having issues.
We want to ensure that we sell the product and it never comes back, and it does what it's intended to do.
Seeing Reliable on the product means you're getting the best there is, and I firmly believe that. And I know what we go through to make those products.
QA is the department that helps you stay in business.
We test our product 100%. There's not a single product that goes out without being tested.
When you enter into the QA area, you're going to see equipment and technicians and inspectors that you would typically have in a world-class manufacturer. And these are people that are highly trained. They're doing a great job. They monitor every aspect of incoming goods. They check the tolerances of what they are.
Our quality assurance department is confident enough that we can pull product off the line at any time. So our product protects not only property but life as well, which makes it very important that we send out good quality product all the time.
We still believe we have the finest quality of all the products that are sold in our industry. We still feel and believe that we make the best, and we know we do.
One of the factors that is part of the quality program is not only to inspect incoming parts, inspect on the line as we're processing, but also to inspect finished goods.
Reliable quality means the best there is. There's nothing else to say.